Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales, guys. Man, I got a beautiful red Bronco for you here today. It's a 1975. We do believe it has its original 302 under the hood, all cleaned up, looking absolutely gorgeous. This Bronco looks as good on the bottom as it does on the top. It's got new suspension underneath it, and you can see it's been completely rebuilt. Wait till you see the engine compartment. It's absolutely gorgeous. As you look down the side of it, the painter did a beautiful job spraying that red paint. The body man did a beautiful job. I mean, just everything about this Bronco is gorgeous. Now, a lot of guys are dragging these things out of the barns all over the place, putting a paint job on them and calling them restored. Not this one. This one's been done inside, outside, upside, and downside. You can see it's got the upgraded roll bar on it. The roll bar comes all the way forward, but what's really nice is it doesn't get in your way. You've got plenty of room there. We got the soft top on this one, looking sweet. It does have a back seat. Out back there has got like a bed liner material sprayed on it, but there is carpeting up front. All the upholstery up front's looking good. All the paint on the interior's looking good. All the trim, I mean, everything. And this baby has air conditioning. She is gorgeous. It's checking all the boxes. Broncos are one of the hottest four-wheel drives out there today, especially these mid-year ones, just looking sweet as can be. You can see all that paint work looking good. The chrome back here, it's even got a hitch on it. The spare tire's real easy to fold out. You just give it a little bit of a push, put this handle up, and then you can put the gate down. Just pull the handle right here, the gate comes down. We got the top. The top actually tucks under a lip right here. Takes about a minute to get that tucked in. Then again, you get your handle here, lock back your spare tire, brand new aluminum wheel back here also. As you look down the side, man, I tell you, they did beautiful body work on this thing. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment, so that means we own this Bronco. You know, we took our time, checked it out before we laid out our money. And then Tom can answer any questions, so call him anytime. We're gonna get this baby out and drive it so you can check it out. All right, let's Bronco it, baby. Let's find us a mud hole, a hill, a sand dune, or heck, let's just take this baby out and get ice cream. What a fun little truck to drive, especially with the soft top on. And what's really cool is we can roll up the windows and turn the air conditioning on this baby. But it's like perfect day to be out driving one today, about 70 degrees out. Sun is hiding behind some clouds right now, so we want to make sure we get this video done. We don't really want this thing to get rained on. Although I would love to get it out in the mud. Reminds me, I didn't have a Bronco when I was a kid, but I had a Jeep. But we did have a Bronco at the dealership I worked at. I worked at a Ford dealership for a while, and it was always fun driving that Bronco around. Tell you what, one fun automobile right here. Four-wheel drive, 302 under the hood. Everything looking sweet as can be. Driving nice too. It's got a 3.5-inch lift. That lift is all completely brand new. She is a beauty. Now we can deliver this Bronco anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. You can see everything down here on the dash is looking good. It's going to be a little hard for you to see the speedo. It's all the way to the left of the steering wheel. See it way down in there, and the rest of your gauges surround that. And then we've got an aftermarket radio in it. Then right above the radio are the controls for the AC. I mean, everything's just done very smartly in this thing. Super cool little truck. Get around the corner here, and first thing we're gonna do when we get back to the shop is we're gonna put this thing up on the lift so you can see all the beautiful workmanship on the bottom side. You see how clean it is, everything's painted up, how many new parts are under there. Now at Vanguard, every car goes up on the left. It gets checked out and we get pictures and videos of the bottom side so you can see exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. Now if you wanna help us out, we'd really love for you to share this video with your buddies. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we do post at least one new video every day, sometimes two. So we're always bringing in new vehicles. And you never know from day to day what we might be bringing in. Heck, sometimes I don't even know what's gonna walk through the front door. So we're here at the shop at 15100 Keel Street. And stick with us, we're gonna put this one up in the air for you right now. We are underneath the Bronco now, and it is beautiful under here, man. You can see it looks like it's got a brand new receiver style hitch on it with the plug-in. Looks like it's got a custom gas tank, brand new exhaust, and then brand new lift kit here. We've got 3.5 inches, so that's the spring packs here in the back. Of course, new U-bolts, new shocks, new plumbing here for the brakes. I see new hardware in the brakes. Plus, the guys will still take it apart, make sure it's in good working order. Everything under here looks like it's been coated with a bed liner material, looking real tight. Got a brand new rear drive shaft in it. Of course, new muffler. We got our Y pipe here. We've got our C4 transmission. Now, all the numbers point to the fact that this is a 74 transmission, so the more than likely that's the original transmission. We're thinking the same thing on the motor. We got a new drive shaft up front. Of course, drop down on the trailing arms, drop down on the pitman arm, drop down on the panhard bar. I mean, everything looking sweet. All the backing plates and everything for the brakes look like they're new. It is disc up front. We got a stabilizer shock here. Looks like a new aluminum radiator. And then we got our TAs here. This is my favorite tire. Used to run these on all my trucks. 31 10.5 by 15s. And then you can see that red paint, the bottom side of the rocker, all looking beautiful. Now, I know there's a lot of Broncos out there that guys have restored. Make sure you get underneath them and look around. Make sure there's some new suspension parts, new body mount parts. I mean, because a lot of these things, these guys are just dragging them out of the barn, spraying some paint on them, putting some seat covers on them, and then selling them as a restored vehicle. This baby has been restored. Same size wheel back here, great looking aluminum, all polished up, looking sweet. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down right now and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, it looks like we've got the original motor is what they're telling us. They're thinking that pretty sure all the dates line up on that thing. We've got a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor sitting on top. Looks like we got an Edelbrock coil on there. Of course, you can see the power boosters chromed up. We got aftermarket master cylinder here, all brand new stainless lines, brand new AC pump. The aluminum radiator's brand new. Of course, the AC condenser looks like it's brand new. All the paintwork under here is just absolutely gorgeous. They did a beautiful job restoring the firewall, the inner wheelhouses, the bottom of the hood. And again, like I was saying earlier, one of the things that nobody does is they don't completely restore these things. This baby's been completely restored. She's looking sweet. It's the right color. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and Tom will park this dream in your driveway.